Okay, so here I'm going to look at unhandicapping our language, the PDF, and making sure that the reading order is correct. I've opened it as a PDF in Kurzweil 15, and I'm not sure if you guys have the same edition, but you can get the idea. It should be applicable pretty closely to version 13 or 14. So I've opened it, and Kurzweil 15 recognized it, and then under Scan, you have Zone Editor, which is also the keyboard shortcut. It's Control plus F5. Real simple. And I'm assuming that your edit is going to be right here because it should read across. And then, oh, I see. So there's two different zones right there. Okay, so first things first, this is going to be Zone 8, and this is going to be Zone 9. 10, 11, 12. The rest look pretty good. 13, 14. Okay, so you might want to split these up a little bit from the scan. So I'm going to double click and I'm going to change this first to 8. And so just to change that 6, 7, 8, notice that the next one went to 9. But now notice that on this one, we're going to see it's got this piece of text below should actually be 8, 9, 10. This should be 11. So you can right-click the zone and adjust the zone to that actual piece of text right there. Okay, so I've got 8, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then if it does this, we are going to want to adjust this zone, because otherwise it's going to read the manually tired. This might work, because it's going to go here to here. In this case, this should be fine, but now you've got a zone that doesn't work right here. So I'm going to right-click and I'm going to add a zone. And then click out of it. Notice that now I've got 9. This should actually be the 10th zone, so I'm going to rename it because it went to the last zone, and I'm going to put it on 10. Okay, so 9, 10, 11, the deaf, the blind, humanizing nouns. Now it also depends on when you read it. See, on all of these, you're getting them combined. It's going to read these two, and then these two, and then these two. So which isn't. You want it to read abnormal, read across. So what you're going to do is you can adjust the zone and add zones. Quick way to do that. Let's see. So you're going to just adjust the zone. Click out of it. Adjust zone. Click out of it. So you see that right adjust zone. And you can get it to, this kind of gets laborious, but it will give you the correct reading. So it's going to read across for this line. And I'm going to adjust this zone just to make sure. So it's just a quick way to do it. Not so quick, actually, if you have a lot of zones. And you click away, you can add a zone. Now, when you add a zone, the important thing to do is to click on that zone and make sure that the reading order is correct. Okay, that's a quick way to go through, adjust the zones, add zones, and you'll see by a right click the variety of different possible edits you can make. Zone Editor, all you have to do is remember that Control plus F5. I think it's the same in 13, 14. I'm not sure what exact version you guys have. The Control F5 when I hit it again, and I want to save those and re-recognize. Okay, so it's re-recognized. This is going to be real quick, and I'm going to do Control F5 again and take a look. And we got 11, 12, 13. And I stopped right here with 14. Then I do 15 right here. Okay? And if you have any questions, sorry for the delay.